Well, today we are going to draw a Rubik cube. You know Rubik cube, like we play with the cubes, right? Okay, so anyway, it's very special because we are going to draw a 3D picture today. It's like with perspective method, and we are going to discuss how to draw a 3D picture. And this is a square shape. So for that, Anuhas will join us. Okay, how?
Fine.
Do you like to draw a box? Yes, he likes. Yeah, well, so we are going to draw a cube now. Shall we start?
Okay.
Okay, right now we are going to start it. First, of course, we have to start to draw it. We have to draw a line like this in the middle, straight vertical line. Okay, you have to draw a straight vertical line in the middle. Good. Yeah, you can draw it nicely. And then you can draw another line with the same length of the first line. That's right. Yes. And then parallel to this line, okay, parallel to that line, parallel to the second line, we're going to draw another line with the same length. Okay. Yes. But straight line, right? No curves, right? No curves. Parallel to that line, to this. That's right. Yes. And then we are going to join these 2 points as a straight line, parallel to the first line. But straight, right? Okay, right. Good. To this point. Okay. And then we are going to draw another line to this side. That's right, yes. Okay. And then now we are going to draw another line parallel to that line from here to here. Okay. Right. Okay. And then we are going to join these 2 lines with another straight vertical line. Okay. And then, okay, parallel to this line, we are going to draw another line like this. See? Then we're going to join these 2 points. Yes. Okay. Did it. And then we can mark dividing this square, each square into 3 parts. Yes. Can you divide into similar 3 parts? And then we're going to join these dots like this. Okay. And from the other side also, we have to divide it into 3. Only 2 lines. Okay, no problem. Then another 2 lines in the middle. Like that. Like this. And here also we can mark like 2 dots. That's right. Here also 1 line to join these 2 dots. And another line to join these 2 dots. Okay, then this square also we have to divide into 3 similar parts. And this part also. And this square also we can divide into 3 parts. And like this. Okay. And the other side as well. Okay. Okay. Shall we color with 3 colors?
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to color this with 3 colors. Okay, we'll see how. First, we'll color with blue one side. Well, we nicely colored, and it is very easy to color. And also, you need to follow my steps as I tell you. So then easily you will be able to draw. Today we discussed how to draw a 3D object. Now see this square shape things. So that is the basic way to practice how to draw 3D pictures. So the basic style is we need to practice with the square shapes. So today also we are going to leave from DP Kids Drawing YouTube channel this program, and then bye.